everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how a user can create and delete tag types for both a child and a guardian. To be able to complete this action, your user role access needs to have super user marked as full. And we are going to come back to this page because this will go hand in hand with the add and remove tags. So to create or delete a tag type, you can click on your service menu and under configuration, click on types. In the drop-down box, you can select either child tags for child tags, and then you can select guardian tags if you're creating and deleting for a guardian. So to create a type, you're going to simply click to add a new type, add the name, and then click Save. To delete a tag, if the tag has not been used before, you can simply just click the red cross and delete the type. If the tag type has been used, this means it has been assigned to guardians or children and have not yet been removed, and you no longer need that tag, you can simply just click on that tag, untick active, and click Save. And this now removes that tag from the active list. Now, like most things in Kidsoft, nothing's ever removed completely. If you want to see that inactive record, you can simply just tick Show Inactive Record. There it is there in grey. You may now decide that you want to use that tag. So again, you can click on that tag, tick the box, and click Save. Going to a guardian or a child's page, in the tags field, you can also add a new tag type from this box. When it's created from this box, it will add to the child or guardian, and then you can click the Save Child or Save Guardian. This tag is then standard and can be used for any child or guardian, whichever one it was created on. Now remember, I did say that we would move back to the user role access. I have left super user to full, and I have updated the add and remove tags to add, which means this user is unable to remove tags, but they still have the ability to add them and also create them. So switching back over to a child or a guardian's details page, down in the tags field, you will notice that I can still add tags, but I can also still add new tag types. But when I click Save Child, I do not have the little cross anywhere, so I'm still not able to remove any tags. When updating that user role access for tags to none, however, I've still got super user. Going back to a child's page, you can see that it's been locked, so I can't add or remove, but I also can't create or delete, and even though I've got super user. But just remember, super user gives you access under the configuration to your types. So you can still come over into your child tags and to your guardian tags and create that new type and also delete or mark one inactive. For further information on how to create and delete tags, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.